Tell the people them what your name is.
I'm a cousin, man.
What's your name?
My name is Terrence.
Terrence. So
Terrence,
this is the chicken man right here. What do you call it? Egley Park?
Ugly Park Road, Mystic Plaza.
Mystic Plaza. So every party you're right here.
Shout out to Billy in Canada, same here.
Billy in Canada, big up yourself. Where Billy is in Toronto?
Yeah, Toronto, Canada.
Yeah, Toronto. Hold on. We're gonna. Yeah, that's where. Yeah. So if you guys are here at Egley Park, come to Mystic Plaza. This is this spot right here. I don't know how good the chicken is, but I'm gonna try. But it looks like it's good though. Look well cooked. Yeah, and Billy, I beat it tonight. He was the only chicken man on site, so you know I'm gonna make all of the money. Yeah.
Same with the pepper, yeah.
Right here, people. I'm out putting in the work for you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. But after 3 in the morning, we're here. There's a big party going on up there. YouTube, don't give me any copyright. Yeah. Tiff is in the building as well. Tiff couldn't wait to get out. Her new hairstyle, yep. There she is, guys. You have work in a couple hours, Tiff. You have to go up on the people that work, or you can do it.
I'll do it.
There's gonna be lots of sleeping. Hello? Yeah, took it. Ram up his ear as well. Yeah, we're getting some chicken. Alright guys, I have to go because my hand is full, so like, share and subscribe. Just give you a little run. Egley Park. Every Friday. Hold on.